Hyundai launches the all-new 2022 ELANTRA N for the North American market. The ELANTRA N is a high-performance variant of the new ELANTRA. It adds strong and dynamic driving and aggressive design elements to the standard model. Powered by a 2.0-liter, turbocharged, direct-injected flat-power engine, the ELANTRA N is available with an 8-speed wet dual-clutch, NDCT transmission, producing a maximum output of 276 horsepower from 5,500 to 6,000 revolutions per minute and 289 pounds of torque, featuring from 2,100 to 4,700 revolutions per minute. With N Grin Shift, NGS boost pressure is temporarily increasing output briefly to 286 horsepower. The ELANTRA N is also available with a standard, close-ratio 6-speed manual gearbox. The handling performance of the ELANTRA N is further enhanced by the N Corner Carving Differential, e-LSD, variable exhaust valve system and launch control, all standard features of specialized high performance. For DCT models, N Grin Shift, NGS, N Power Shift, NPS, and N Track Sense Shift, NTS, are standard features that maximize driving interactions. The N-exclusive interior conveys the application of N-branded elements, including the steering wheel, shifters, seats, door panels and metal pedals. Steering wheel with paddle shifter includes NGS button, DCT only, advanced infotainment system ELANTRA N equipped with N-exclusive graphic interface, light sport seat N with N illumination 10 mm lower than standard ELANTRA specs for high driving performance. ELANTRA N adds special features for oral driving engagement. N Sound Equalizer, NSE, is a sound virtual machine that not only simulates sounds from Hyundai Motorsports, such as TCR racing cars, but also has an equalizer function that allows adjustment of details for each range, whisper, throat, bass, according to personal preference. This allows drivers to hear dynamic engine sounds according to their mood. In addition, the variable exhaust valve system, which produces excessive pop and crack elements, now uses linear control to reduce thump during idling, while maintaining the characteristic N exhaust tone. Lastly, the ELANTRA N is the first N vehicle to use Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires with a width of 245 sections on 19-inch alloy wheels for increased traction and dynamic cornering performance.